before the sun gets crazy low, I'm gonna show you some work that I'm about to do. So I got some, what you call it, rock, some rocks, and I got 3 bags of soil.
Ayy, I got the recipe, never gonna let any op get the best of me. Thought it was distance, but haters is next to me. Talk to the spirit, you know I've been heavenly. Company definitely show your trajectory. This ain't a diss cause I say it respectfully. It's time to eat up, bread like a speeder. Taking it deeper and that's how it better be. I never let the...
I'm gonna show you where the rocks are gonna go. In this little, the rocks are gonna go right there. Okay guys, so I want to just show you guys the yard and what it looks like, because you guys see me put it down. Put the peat moss down and some of the soil, and I did 3 bags like I did 3 bags last time, but I feel like, well, I only did one side, so I know the other side, so I'm gonna need to get at least 5 more next time so I can do the other side. But I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. But before I show you, I want to show you guys the what's it called, the soil that I've got, that I didn't get a chance to show you guys because it didn't come in, but it came in, so I can show you guys what it looked like and I can see what it looked like, because I haven't opened it up yet. So we're gonna open it up in the garage because I haven't opened it, so let's go. Okay, so this is how it came, just like this. It stinks. So I was kind of surprised because I'm like, $95, but it is a family and operated owned, so hey. This stuff is strong. So this is cake fertilizer, what I told you guys that I got. So it's powerful, organic, plant-based, environmental friendly, contains 7% neem, harmless to earthworms, beneficial to the soil, animals, and people. So it's 2 of them. It looks like this. Here's the front. Here's what it looks like. So honestly, I'm fine with this. I got a lot to fertilize my soil, so I'm actually fine with a size like this, because I'm not gonna have a big garden, because I'm at my father's house. So, but in order to get this garden started, I want to make sure the grass is good, and it looks like it's gonna rain. I'm gonna show you guys the sky. It looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this grass seed down. I'm gonna show you the grass seed that I got. So this is the grass seed that I got. I want to try it out. So, yeah. Ooh. This looks good. Well, I'm not gonna say it look good, but like it looks very, very, I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, so these are my gloves. Let me show you guys what my gloves look like after I got done. You see that? Crazy, right? So I gotta wash them. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys what the grass looks like. Peat moss and soil, and you're gonna see the black soil and what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna do this way. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So it's not red anymore, and that's what you see, the peat moss and the fertilizer, and that's leftover, you know. And as you can see, we are growing grass back here, y'all. Because y'all remember, it didn't look like that. You see the hill? It did not look like that. So definitely gonna put some grass seed up there because it looks like it's gonna rain. But the yard to me looks so much better. I'm gonna show you the area where I said I was gonna put the thing. Now that little area right there that you see, I don't think that is our area because that's why I didn't put none over there, but I think this is my area. But you see how it's grass here, guys? You see this little bit of grass growing? Now all of this is just peat moss. I didn't put no fertilized soil over here, so that's why I was said, like, you only see fertilized soil at the top because that's the top of the hill. So I at least want to get grass right there. But where I did put the rest of it, it is right here. So we are getting grass, y'all. And I'm excited. I didn't think it was gonna be like that. So grass. Well, I seeded the soil. So that's what it looks like. If you can see it. There you go.
The sky looks like it's gonna rain.
So yes, you guys, that is me coming in, washing my hands, but that's what it looks like. I'm so proud of myself of how fast the grass is growing at that, because I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I do not know what I'm doing. But if I want this garden, I need to make sure I have good soil. And I need to start by making sure my grass is good. Even though, yes, I do know that the area that I need, I shouldn't put grass right there just because of the simple fact that I am going to till it. But, guys, I want good soil. So it's like, I don't want dry soil. So if I know grass can grow there, then I know it's nutritional. And it's going to be good for me to till. So that's why I'm growing grass. So other than that, thank you guys. This is vlog 2 for my gardening.
Ayy, I got the recipe, never gonna let any op get the best of me. Thought it was distance, but haters is next to me. Talk to the spirit, you know I've been heavenly. Company definitely show your trajectory. This ain't a diss cause I say it respectfully. It's time to eat up, red like a speeder. Taking it deeper and that's how it better be. I never let the comparison